Hello kids, next topic of lesson number 2 is balanced diet in deficiency diseases. First of all, little introduction. Nutrients are essential for the proper growth and health of the body. As we know that the substances that contain essential nutrients for our body activities are considered as food. There are 6 essential nutrients in our food are carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, vitamins, minerals, water, etc. Now comes towards the main topic, that is the balanced diet. First of all, we should know what is diet. The food that we eat during the whole day is called our diet. A diet consists of many food items. Now come towards the balanced diet. Balanced diet, the diet that contains adequate amount of all the essential nutrients, roughage and water for the proper growth and development of the body is called balanced diet. So in other words, we can say that diet that contains right amount of carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, water and roughage to meet the daily requirement of our body are called as balanced diet. Balanced diet varies with lifestyle, activities and age. Next is the deficiency diseases. We need a balanced diet for our proper growth and development. If any of the nutrient is less than the required amount in the diet, it causes a disease. So the diseases that are caused due to the lack of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals or vitamin in our diet are called deficiency disease. In simple terms, we can say that if there is any lack of any nutrient in our diet, that leads to the deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases are of following types. First deficiency disease is protein deficiency disease. Protein deficiency disease, if a child does not get enough protein in his or her diet for a long time, she is likely to suffer from malnutrition. So a very common protein deficiency disease in children is kwashiorkor. So kwashiorkor disease is common among children of 1 to 5 years of age. Next is symptoms of kwashiorkor. So there are various symptoms of kwashiorkor. Stunted growth, skin becomes dry and scaly, underweight, swollen legs, loss of appetite, anemia, mental retardation, limbs, especially legs, become thin and bony, large pot like belly. As you see in the picture, there is a large pot like belly of children. So these are the symptoms that shows the child is suffering from kwashiorkor. Important thing here is lack of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Again I repeat, lack of carbohydrates, proteins and fats in the diet is called protein energy malnutrition, PEM. Next disease is marasmus. So marasmus, the deficiency of this disease is caused by deficiency of protein, carbohydrate and fats in the diet of children. Symptoms of marasmus are lean body, projected lips, sunken eyes, dry eyes, ribs become very prominent, unable to digest and absorb food and may suffer from diarrhea. Next is the vitamin deficiency diseases. So there is a table that shows different diseases that caused by a lack of vitamins, and here are the symptoms of that particular diseases. Like vitamin A, the disease caused by the lack of vitamin A is night blindness, and the symptoms of night blindness are poor night vision, loss of night vision. Likewise, if we talk of vitamin D, and by the deficiency of vitamin D, disease cause ricket, and symptoms of same disease are weak bones, decaying teeth, soften and bend bones, pain in bones, etc. Vitamin K. The disease that is caused by vitamin K is hemorrhage, and the symptoms of hemorrhage is excessive bleeding from bounce. Next one is mineral deficiency diseases. So here is again a table that shows the deficiency of minerals and their symptoms. Deficiency diseases like calcium. Deficiency of calcium in food causes bone and tooth decay disease. Bone and tooth decay disease. And symptoms are weak bone, excessive bleeding of gums. Like with fluorine, the disease that is caused by the lack of fluorine is dental caries, and symptoms are pain in teeth, dental decay, sensitivity to hot and cold food or drink. Potassium. If deficiency of potassium in diet, in food, if there is a deficiency of potassium, the disease caused ricket, and mostly it causes in children, and symptoms are weakening of bones, also called as muscle weakness, poor development, mental retardation, and retarded growth. So there is a table that shows the deficiency of minerals and symptoms. Clear? Thank you.